In this video, you will see how to draw a square in Word document. As you can see, I have drawn square with the single color, multiple colors and patterns in square. If you don't want the color, that can be also done. And you can also add text inside the square like this. It's very easy. Let's get started. To draw a square in Word document, go up to the insert option. You will see the option shapes here. Click on the drop down to explore the shapes. Under the rectangle, select the option square. Now press shift on your keyboard and then draw the shape. If you don't press shift on your keyboard, you won't be able to draw a perfect square and it will end up being a rectangle. Now to fill color inside the square or remove the color, right click on the square and click on the format shapes option. Now under the fill, you can either select no fill, which means there is no color inside the square, and as you can see it is a transparent square box. And if you want to fill the color, you can select solid fill and under the colors click on the fill color option and you can select any color of your choice. If you want to add text inside the square, right click on the square, click on add text and type whatever you want. If you want to add shades like this into the square, then instead of solid fill, select gradient fill. You will see this slider. Click on the arrow and select the color of your choice. You can select many colors according to your need. I am selecting here 3 colors. And you can now move the slider like this and adjust the shade into the square shape. And if you want to delete, you can also click on the arrow and click on minus to remove the grid stops. There are pre-formats here. You can select anyone from here. And instead of linear, you can also select radial and there are more formats. You can try many of them. And now if you want to fill pattern, then click on the pattern fill option. Select the background color and select the foreground color. You will see many patterns. You can select any pattern of your choice. And if you want to change the border thickness or the border line color, then you can select the outline color from here under the lines, and you can increase the thickness of the border by entering the number. For example, I will enter 2 points under the width, and as you can see the width of the border is increasing. If you want a double border, you can do that as well like this. And if you want a dashed or a dotted border, you can select it under the dash type. Like the video and comment below if this video solves your problem. And subscribe the channel if you want to learn tips and tricks quickly like this.